Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafizuddin Rosman. I'm from UniKL MIIT and I'm from course network system. Okay, today I will be asking about a few questions about system disaster recovery. So, okay, if you guys can introduce yourself first.
Okay, so I go first.
Alright.
So my name is Muhammad Azmi. Okay, I'm currently working with as a common solutions in Berhad, and my position is as a project manager. And you,
My name is Idris Najib. My position is help desk executive.
Okay, for the first question, okay, may I understand that the scale of your business, please?
the scale of our business. Okay, so our business is focusedly on network. Okay, so currently we have like 30 to 40 employees. Okay, but we are in the progress of merging this company with other company. Okay, so since our company is doing more on network deployment and everything, providing service, the other company will be focusing more on system deployment. So we will be merging soon. I'm not sure when. So that's the scale.
Alright.
So when it is merged, then I think the total number of the employee will be around 90 to 100.
That's a lot. Okay, the next question is what is the critical features of your company? Okay, mean serving or the processing?
Critical future. Okay, so currently we have client. Okay, and for all these clients, we are actually providing service, and also it's more like network deployment, providing line, and also we can say we also will provide product to them, because let's say if we want to apply dedicated line for them, DIA. So of course we need the router.
Alright.
Okay, and also the router it will be provided by us.
Okay, so the product from your company is the router.
We do, currently we don't have our own product, but soon, and most of the product is a commercial product like Cisco, Juniper, Sangfor.
Alright.
So each of the product will have different functionality lah.
Okay. Okay, we move on to the next question is if you have ever had security breach on your IT system in your company?
I don't think so, because as a network, as being in the line of network, okay, we have to secure all our data, means all our set of data. Okay, it's secure carefully. So I don't think we ever had a security breach on our IT system.
It means that so far there is no security breach in your system.
There is no security breach in our system.
Okay, the next question is what are the kind of disaster do you need to shield your business from?
Natural disaster.
Okay, I see. So what were the condition for determining security breach?
Here we have three types of security breach, which is low, severe, and critical. This three types we call it as impact assessment.
Okay, actually this impact assessment is actually to evaluate. Okay, let's say one trade will be, let's say we call it as a trade, right?
Yeah.
For any security breaches, we call it a trade.
Yeah.
Trade. Sorry.
Yes, okay.
Trade or incident, we call it. So for each of the incident or trade, we need, or the principal or any other vendor or any other parties, they will actually segregate it into some group. Okay, that will be low, several, and also the last one will be critical. It depends on how the organization or the party want to evaluate the assessment. So we have the three stages. Normally in a small organization that we will have three, but if we are looking more, or if we progressively study in banking area or any big companies, then we have a lot of small.
Okay, I see.
But currently I think we only have this low, several, and also critical.
Okay, only the 3 stage. For the-
Only these three stages.
Okay, we will be move on to the next question. Okay, how will you cope with anything that appear unusual on your machine?
We will perform a risk mitigation training.
Okay, and next is what is the protocol for the IT system disaster plan to guarantee that service are rapidly recovered so that company can get back on the right track as quick as possible?
We have our network operation center, and they will cover for security operation center. Basically, the NOC will identify the risk and perform necessary prevention and for it.
Okay, our second last question is how much period has it taken for your team to really get the system back to online?
Actually, to answer this question, it depends on the client. Actually, it depends on the organization, and it depends on the type of environment that our client that we are actually providing the service to. Let's say we have so many types of clients, we have so many types of environment in working area. Okay, so let's say I'm providing a very simple example on banking industry. Okay, if you are talking about banking industry, in order for them to get the system back online, I don't think it will be in one day. We have the
That's right.
SLA, they have the SLA. So I think the least time will be needed for the system to be back online normally for the critical stages, 3 hours. 3 hours. That is the limit. For a very simple case, normally they will take around 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because they have a lot of network support, and also they are outsourcing a lot of engineer. They are
That's right.
they are outsourcing a lot of the engineer. So they will expect the least number of downtime. We call it as a downtime.
Okay, for our last question is, does your business run normally during this pandemic?
Yes, but we have now how many stages we have of this pandemic? I think two or three.
Three. I think three.
Okay, I think for the first phase, we are working at home.
Yeah.
Second phase, we are working as normal, and our business is running normally lah, because we are the essential service. We are providing the essential service. So I don't think there is any obstacle for us to run our
Yeah,
business.
that's right. Okay, thank you for having me to interview you guys for this session. Okay, I think that's all from my side. Okay, I would like to thank you all
Okay.
for having us for
Thank you,
this
thank you. Nice having you.
interview.
Good luck with your studies.
Alright, I think that's all.